Okay, welcome to the Car Boutique Boys on Tour. This time we are on the way to, where are we going?
UK Detailing Academy.
UK Detailing Academy. So we arranged a bit of an open day. Me and Carl, I'm not actually driving for once, which is a change. Thank you very much for picking me up.
So I thank you for trusting me to drive you.
Well, let's see if we get there first. Wow. So what we got today, we've got some demos, haven't we? We've got some safe wash process. You're going to have a play with the
machine polishers.
Machine polishing. We've got some people coming along to do some demos as well. Not all the team are coming, but I'm sure we'll have a good time, won't we? So
guaranteed.
I'm going to let you concentrate on the driving. We'll do a bit of time warp as we get there, and then we'll see what the day's got in store for us.
Surface Sheen, which is one of the products that Steve has showcased. He'll tell you all about it. It's like a really easy light polish. Our new quick detailer, silly price on that. 25 litres is about 40 quid. Solvent-based glass cleaner, aqua wax in a spray bottle if you don't want to apply it through your machine, and fallout remover, which we've just changed the consistency of, so it's a little bit more gel-based. If you'd have asked for video evidence of that, I'd be quite happy to give it you.
You get used to it.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
So
So yeah,
switch it on.
Yeah, so you've got, so if you pass it here, I'll show you.
Yeah.
So you one click, it will naturally spin like that if you go fully up.
Yeah.
So you can just use it like that, or you can flip it on like that.
Yeah.
So keep it on, and then obviously the area that you're working on.
Yeah.
So you're going to work
So
on
you
that,
can only
that
partially put
area
it up
there.
and then spread the
Yeah, so
thing and then
spread it
fill
all as much as you can without the
Yeah.
machine on, and then you would do slow passes
Yeah.
with on low speed, and then you
Yeah.
would slowly turn the heat up on it. If that makes sense.
This
Turn the
is on
speed up.
quite-
Until you get it wrong,
Yeah.
you know, but it's not as scary as what you might think.
No, not at all.
Not as scary at all.
Forced rotation.
Still got the vertical.
Spread her out.
Oh, like that. But now it's just.
Wind it up, speed 5. Relax. Right, really relax.
Non-stop like this, gonna rock the party non-stop like this, gonna rock non-stop like this, gonna rock the party non-stop like this, gonna rock like this, gonna rock the party non-stop like this, gonna